Okay, let's give it a spin. It has taken an attempt to printing, but it could not. You can see clear paper path. Here is showing how to pick this. Let's open. Let's try to open, but it could not. Okay, let's check where is the problem and how to fix it. Okay. Let's check it. Where is the problem? First of all, we need to clean this one. Oh, here is the paper. That's why it is blocking the paper path. Okay, if this paper pieces is blocking the paper path, that's why it's showing paper jam. Okay, today I will release this paper and fix this, and after that I will also clean this pickup roller. This is the pickup roller. Okay, this is also good, but I just clean it by water or thinner. Okay, let's start do it. How to open this? Let's open this paper pieces. Okay, this one is blocking this printer paper path. What I am doing is just pull this here and now I am clean this using thinner. I have a thinner. Okay, let's install this. Okay, that is absolutely okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.